This is protein, from a string of amino acids to a 3D complex structure. And these very microscopic things can run machines of all the living creatures around the world. And if we can understand these structures of proteins, we can solve many of the hardest questions in the world. For more than half a century, biologists have researched, explored, tried to decode how proteins fold, and understood the structure of proteins. Despite their enormous effort, it's still impossible. But during recent major challenges, a team at Google DeepMind uses artificial intelligence to figure out a key part of these challenges. This is a story about how AI created by Google DeepMind cracked, decoded the protein folding, found out the key to solve very many tough problems around the world, and how these three researchers win the 2024 Nobel Prize in Chemistry. There are millions of proteins inside every living thing, from humans, animals, plants, to bacteria. Each one has a unique 3D structure and has enormous folding states. Some proteins make your body heal, some make plants grow, and others can even cause deadly diseases. But here's the problem. Based on the Leventhal paradox, for any protein, if you try to find out the native folded state of a protein by a random search, can take longer than the age of the universe. Yet protein can fold in a few seconds or less. So yeah, try to predict it's kinda impossible.
Protein folding is one of these holy grail type problems in biology. We've always hypothesized that AI should be helpful to make these kinds of big scientific breakthroughs more quickly.
Researchers need powerful microscopes, very huge labs, and sometimes millions of dollars, just to see how one protein folds. And the number of proteins we still don't understand, it's in the billions. Imagine if there was an AI that could look at a protein's code and instantly tell you its 3D shape. That would save years of time, billions in cost, and maybe even save lives. Yeah, it's kind of badass, right? And that's exactly what AlphaFold was built to do. So, how does AlphaFold actually work? Imagine giving a computer a list of letters, A, T, C, and G, the genetic code that makes up life. From those letters, the AI learns to see patterns that tell AI how a protein will fold into a 3D shape. Just like how ChatGPT learns from language, letters, AlphaFold learns from biology. Give it millions of known protein structures and their sequences.
Generally speaking, biologists tend to be quite skeptical of computational work, and I think that skepticism is healthy and I respect it, but I feel very excited about what AlphaFold can achieve.
Over time, it started to understand the hidden code of life, how a simple chain of amino acids twists and folds into something beautiful, functional, and it's alive. The model uses deep learning, layers of neural networks that look at the distances between atoms, predict their angles, and refine them again and again until the shape fits perfectly. And now, AlphaFold can predict protein structures with atomic-level accuracy. Something that once took scientists a lot of years now takes minutes. And in its newest version, AlphaFold 3, the AI goes even further. It doesn't just predict proteins, it models DNA, RNA, and even small molecules interacting together. It's like giving AI the ability to create a new life through lines of code. This means we can now explore how a potential drug interacts with the human body before testing it. We can understand how viruses attach to cells or how enzymes break down plastic waste. AlphaFold is like a game changer. It's a combination of science and deep learning. How powerful it is. Thank you for watching. Can you give me a like and subscribe? I appreciate it.